Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is trisodium phosphate the same as baking soda? The main ingredient in teaspoon is phosphate, but this product contains no phosphate. It has sodium sesquicarbonate, similar to baking soda, as the main ingredient. Sodium sesquicarbonate makes up about 20% of actual TSP. Simple Green is an environmentally safe alternative for TSP that is also not an irritant. Why is TSP in cereal? TSP is most commonly used to reduce the acidic nature of foods, especially breakfast cereals, as it modifies cereal color and aids in the cereal's flow through the extruder. Acts as a leavening agent to fluff up foods like cakes, breads, and baked goods. Is borax the same as trisodium phosphate? Trisodium phosphate, also known as TSP, is a heavy-duty cleaning agent that removes grease and dirt while killing mold. Like TSP, borax successfully cleans a variety of surfaces as well as removes mold and mildew. However, borax consists of sodium borate and does not contain harsh chemicals. What is trisodium phosphate used for in foods? In addition to its many cleaning applications, trisodium phosphate is surprisingly utilized as a food additive. It is called E339 when used for food purposes. Main utilizations include its functions as a thickening agent, acidity regulator, emulsifier, and nutritional enlargement product. Can you mix trisodium phosphate with vinegar? Start by mixing 1 teaspoon of any one or more of the following into 1 quart warm or hot water in a spray bottle or bucket. TSP, used for heavy-duty cleaning, liquid soap or borax. Add a squeeze of lemon juice of splash of vinegar to cut grease. Is Crud Cutter like teaspoon? Crud Cutter Pre-Paint Cleaner TSP substitute cleans and deglosses surfaces prior to painting. It is a ready-to-use, spray-on wipe-off formula that cleans and deglosses surface so paint adheres better. Use on all paints, varnish, lacquer, and polyurethane, or as a wall preparation prior to wallpapering.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.